going to use a pencil, and we need a dark color and a light color. Okay, these are my colors. We're going to start off with our pencil, and we're going to write whatever we want in our regular handwriting. So we wrote it out in our regular writing, and now with our lighter color, we're going to box out and kind of trace over our regular writing. So we're going to underline it and go around my original writing, around and connect it. That's our P. And add this. The inside part, when you do the inside part, it should match up with this right there. That's our P. And then we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the letters. Make a line under your original letter. And we're just going to box that in, connect it up, connect it. And then remember that the inside, this straight line, should connect there. So you see how we're not touching our pencil. Our pencil mark, we're not touching it. It's just kind of guiding us to make the box letters. So use the I. My lighter. I'm just going to go ahead and color it so you guys can see that better. Now we're going to take our darker color, and with our darker color we're going to do our shadows. So we're going to pick a side. It can be either this side of the letter or this side of the letter. I'm going to do this side. So on the left side for me of my letter, I'm going to, every point, you see these are points of the letter. To the point, we're going to do a little line. This point, a line. And we're all going to have the lines going the same way. So for me, I'm going to do my lines to the left, same direction, towards the left for me. Okay, now we're going to connect. Connect this end, here, there, here. And there we have it. Time, I'm just going to go ahead and outline this with my pencil. Another thing you can do, instead of making it straight, you can do like bubble letters. You can do bubble letters, so you curve it. So you curve instead of making a straight line. So curve. And again, we don't use our original writing. We go around it. So we don't touch that part. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to outline this with the red. But I'm only going to do the top part. So I'm going to split my time into 3 parts. So the top, the middle, and the bottom part. Okay? So my top part will be red. So just the top part of all my letters are going to be red. Okay? Doing the rainbow here. Orange for my middle part. So you don't want to go all the way down because we want to add one more color. And then yellow for my bottom part. Okay, so finish it off with the yellow. Now, we're going to go. I'm going to go ahead and do the shading with my pencil first, and then go over it with my color. So here's my point. I'm going to go here. This is my point. My point. We want to drag everything to the left, because that's where our shadow is going to be. For the red part, I'm going to do green. I'm marking it so that I don't mess up when I color it in. The blue is going to go on the orange, like this, and then our final purple for the yellow. With blue for the orange. Okay, now let's go ahead and color it in. And there we have it, our rainbow time. So this is basically just, basic teaching. You guys can go ahead and play with your own colors or your own ideas. This is the square one. This is the bubble one, which is more of a circular. And this one has the lines in it. But you can go ahead, play around with your own thing, add your own colors. Okay? Bye, guys.